What's up? I'm Bryce Cody. This is my tribute to Michael Winslow. This is part of his performance in Soul Train in 1984. First question, how many live on the planet Hollywood? The main planet. I live in the Studio Silly area, next to North Planet Hollywood. Come on in my apartment. Wow. Welcome home. Now, everyone has something special about their apartment. Mine is like, it's me, you idiot! Dog. Sit down. Oh, will you excuse me? I've got a message on my machine. Come on, baby, hurry up.
Shut up. I'll call you back. Bye.
Okay, stay home tonight. Go get me a beer. I'll sit there and I'll watch a little television.
Michael, he'll eat it. He eats everything.
Thank you very much, Bryce Cody. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, please.